guys, welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be System Test 20. So let's get right on with the video. So, Potter PFC 6006, we got our batteries, we got the Kitty 278B, System Sensor 2151, System Sensor Spectra Alert Advanced Horn Strobe on 15 candela, the classic remote strobe on 1575 fixed. Alright, so we got the, the Wheelock Exceeder remote horn, high volume code 3. The Wheelock RSS 1575 candela fixed. The Genesis remote strobe in the closet still. And finally, we've got the second Exceeder remote horn. So let's go get my keys and my hex key. Oh yeah, and then we have the General Electric Smoke and Heat and the Firelight BG12. So let's get right on with the video. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so now it's time for the Edward Siga. 3, 2, 1. Looks like wire mold. Alright, so finally we're going to get to the 425120. And I'm actually going to pull it this time. Oops, nearly pulled this thing again. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Ah, these two strobes are in sync, it looks like. For the first time in forever, right? Alright, so that's everything I have to show for this video. Thank you guys so much for letting me get to making 20 system tests. It's a pretty good accomplishment, I think. But yeah. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Again, see you in the next video. Peace.